If you're thinking about using US Bank's mobile banking app, there are some things you'll need to know before making your decision. We're going to break down 12 key points so you can decide if this app is right for you. With so many banking apps out there, like Chase or Wells Fargo, it's important to see how US Bank compares in terms of features, usability, and overall experience. Stick around until the end to get our verdict. First off, US Bank mobile banking has a clean, intuitive design. Whether you're making transfers, paying bills, or checking balances, it's easy to navigate, especially compared to more cluttered apps from other banks. Next thing, the app offers mobile check deposit. You can easily take a photo of your check and deposit it into your account. This is a feature other apps like Wells Fargo or Bank of America also provide, but US Bank's process is particularly quick and reliable. The third thing to know is about its account management tools. You can track spending, set up alerts, and even categorize your transactions. It's not as robust as what you'd find with apps like Mint, but it gets the job done if you just want basic insight into your spending habits. The fourth thing is security. US Bank uses multi-factor authentication to protect your account, which is essential these days. However, it's worth noting that apps like Chase offer additional layers of security, like biometric sign-in, that some users prefer. The fifth thing to keep in mind is its bill pay system. While the app allows you to pay bills directly from your account, it's not as customizable as other apps, like those from credit unions or smaller banks, which often give more flexibility in scheduling payments. Next, let's talk about budgeting tools. US Bank's app offers basic budgeting features, but it's not as advanced as some third-party apps like YNAB, or even competitors like Capital One, which give you more powerful tools for tracking your finances. The seventh thing is its integration with other accounts. US Bank's mobile app supports linking to external accounts, but it's not as seamless as some others in the market. For example, the integration process with Wells Fargo is a bit smoother, especially for third-party financial tools. The eighth thing is that the app supports a variety of accounts, including checking, savings, and credit cards, all in one place. But if you're looking for advanced features like investment tracking, you might be disappointed, as US Bank doesn't provide those features directly in the app. The ninth thing to note is customer support. The app allows you to chat directly with customer service or call, but it's not as integrated as some other banking apps. Some users report a smoother experience with apps from bigger institutions like Chase or Citi. The 10th thing is US Bank's rewards program. If you have a US Bank credit card, you can easily track and redeem rewards through the app. However, the app falls short compared to others like Discover, which gives more options for redeeming rewards. Next, the app offers great integration with Apple Pay. You can make contactless payments directly from the app, a must-have for today's banking needs. It's comparable to what you'll find with Bank of America and other major competitors. The 12th and final thing to mention is that US Bank mobile banking offers a range of personalization options, from custom alerts to dark mode. This customization is appreciated but doesn't quite match the level of personalization you get with apps like Chime, which offer a more tailored experience overall. So, is US Bank mobile banking a good option? It certainly has a lot going for it, but it does have some areas where competitors offer more advanced features. If you want a banking app that's simpler and offers basic services, it's a great choice. But if you're looking for more robust features, like budgeting tools or superior security, there are other apps that might suit you better. And if you want a better option, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.